problem is to write a Python program to find ASCII value of character. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushi Jain. In this video we will learn how to write a program that will allow us to find the ASCII value of a character. Now first of all, what is ASCII value? ASCII over here stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is a character encoding standard for electronic communication. It is also called as Unicode. So if you have heard the Unicode over here, the term Unicode you have heard, the Unicode is nothing but the ASCII value. Now how to find the ASCII value of any character? Now here in the ASCII we have 128 characters altogether, which are letters, numbers, or special symbols that we have, or some extra symbols are also there, some controls are also there. So we will be finding the ASCII value of a particular symbol or of a particular number or letter over here by a simple method of using ORD function that we use in our Python. So we have one ORD function inside our Python. With the help of that you can find the Unicode value. Let's have a look on how to find it. First of all, what do we need to do? We need to create a variable over here that is called as character. So you can take any name over here for the variable and you can write any value inside. First of all, let's say I'll be writing a hash. I want to find what is the Unicode for the hash, and I'll be printing over here that the ASCII value of character is we'll be using the ORD function, and inside the ORD we'll be passing the character. As soon as I run it, let's see what output we will get over here. So it says that the value of hash is 35 over here. Similarly, if I would have changed it to anything else, suppose I would have changed it to modest. So the value of modest is 37. If I would have written capital P, the value of capital P is 80. If I would have written small p over here, then the value of small p over here is 112. This is how ASCII values are found. You just need to write over here ORD. ORD is a function that allows us to find a Unicode of a given string, and after that you can just pass the string over here. So I hope guys this program is clear to you, and what is ASCII value, that is also clear to you. For more such interesting programs, stay connected guys. Thank you.